In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add accounts to your chart of accounts in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create a new account so your reports are accurate and organized. First, open QuickBooks Online and look to the top right of your screen. Click the gear icon to open Settings, then select Chart of Accounts. This is the master list of all the places your money comes from and goes to: assets, liabilities, equity, income, and expenses. Keeping this list clean and complete makes your financial reports much more meaningful. Once you're on the Chart of Accounts page, click New. This opens the form where you'll define the account. Start by entering an account name that clearly describes what it's for. Think about how you or your accountant will read it later. Be specific and consistent, like office supplies or checking main. If your company uses account numbers, enter one here as well. A structured numbering system can help keep accounts grouped logically and make reporting easier, but only use numbers if your company has a defined scheme to follow. Next, choose the account type. This is a high-level category that determines how the account appears on your financial statements. For example, bank accounts and receivables fall under assets, bills you owe go under liabilities, and things you spend money on to run your business are expenses. Income tracks what you earn, while cost of goods sold is for direct costs tied to what you sell. Pick the type that best reflects the nature of the account, so your balance sheet and profit and loss reports stay accurate. After that, select the detail type. This refines the category even further and helps QuickBooks place the account correctly in reports. For instance, within expenses, you might choose Office/General Administrative Expenses, or within assets, you might select checking, savings, or other current asset. If you're unsure, choose the closest match and use the description field to clarify how you'll use the account. Depending on the account type and detail type you selected, you may see additional fields. Fill in anything relevant, such as a description that explains the purpose of the account. If an opening balance field appears, consider whether it applies to you. When in doubt, confirm with your accountant so you don't duplicate balances. When everything looks correct, click Save. That's it. Your new account will appear in the Chart of Accounts list and is ready to use on transactions. If you ever need to adjust the name, number, or type, you can return here and edit it later. Keeping your chart organized at the start will save time and reduce errors in your bookkeeping and reports.